So hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a really exciting video for you. Look at the camera.
I'm looking at it.
I'm going to be doing a pack with me and my mum for Paris.
I'm better off just doing a...
Yeah, we're not very good at sitting down and filming them. It's alright in vlogs.
Yeah.
You're going to be alright over the vlogs, aren't you?
Yes.
Yeah. So basically...
Because I forget then that I'm on camera.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
So basically, we're going to be packing for Paris. I'll do a thumbnail quick. Point at it. Done. It's currently Monday the 6th of June. 6th of August, but we're going on the 10th, but we don't have any time of the other day of the week. Well, we probably do, but I'm going to do it tonight. Any of the week, so we're just going to do it tonight. So before you get started, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below and give it a big thumbs up so you can see all my Paris vlogs and what I got for my birthday and everything like that. So yeah, let's just get started.
Right.
Okay, so we made some sort of packing list. I'm going to look at it. Alright, so we're just going to go at random, I think. Shoes first. We'll start with...
Shoes in the bottom, yeah, definitely.
Should we do shoes? Okay. These are all my...
where you paint my toenails.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Can I borrow that nail varnish?
Yeah.
That you just bought?
Also, Keeny line wax my armpits wax and I'm going to film it. Not the part. I'm going to film my face. Anyway, not about that. Right, what shoes should we bring? These ones.
Oh yeah.
Should I try them on?
They fit. I've seen these.
Oh, I bought them in Primark.
They're lovely. Take them.
Right, you want to help me get them out?
Because you might need some flat ones if that gets too much walking around in them.
For night?
Yeah, definitely.
Oh, they're size 4. Yeah, there you go.
I haven't got any nice shoes.
Oh.
Can you buy me a pair?
Yeah. I have more money than you on this trip. I can't get it off, can you help me get it off? Why are they so tight?
I think because of the heat.
Because of my toe.
Feet's swollen.
Thank you. Right, they're going in that basket. We're taking them. Okay, oh, these misguided shoes. Oh, where are they gone? These ones, they wrap around your leg. Look.
Right.
Should we like them?
Well, how many pairs are you taking?
Well, I need some day ones and some night ones.
Well, you're not going to wear the heels in the night, so how many... Depends what outfits you're taking, surely.
Well, I'm going to need these as well.
Right.
Okay, let's bring them. Nope.
What are you going to wear to travel in?
Calm down, we're starting with shoes. Oh yeah.
No, I meant what shoes you're going to travel in.
What do you think? My sliders.
Do you want to turn up to the hotel in your sliders though?
But it might not be a posh one.
Might not be, but...
Is it?
Don't try and get clothes.
Oh yeah, by the way, I don't know anything about this Paris trip. My mum's done it as a surprise, so that's why. I'm going to bring my Steve Madden boots for the daytime, because I can actually walk in them.
Hot.
Oh yeah. Oh, these ones for the daytime then. They're easy to walk in, they're blocks.
Are you sure? Because there's going to be a lot of walking.
Yeah, I'll do them.
Do you want to put the other one for this in? Which you're going to wear
I can't find it. Look at these nice espadrilles I got. Can't find any of my frigging shoes. I've too many.
Flip-flops?
Oh.
Or flat shoes? You got these flat ones.
Are you a fan of these? I absolutely am in love with them.
Yeah, not for Paris.
No, not for Paris.
The other one's this.
Oh yeah.
I think 4 pairs are down the pole.
Yeah, and then I've got my girl power sliders and my pink.
You need trainers, surely.
Have trainers? When you think of me, you don't think trainers.
No, but this really don't look like suitable footwear.
I can tell you what is suitable footwear. I can wear walking. Them, and my girl power sliders.
Have you walked anywhere in them?
No, never will in them. Well, that's why I my Steve Madden boots, but I'll be too hot.
You should take your ballet pumps, and then if you get tired and your feet really start hurting.
Oh yeah.
Should we do that?
My ballet pumps.
Or flip-flops there, they're comfortable, aren't they?
Where? They're Ted Baker ones.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, they're minging.
Yeah, I know, but if you get desperate, I think we ought to pack a pair in a handbag.
Yeah. Okay, right then. Be good if I could find like the other one to it. Oh my god, have you ever seen such an unorganised... Alright, that's enough shoes, isn't it? Yeah. Sit like through it. It's alright, we're all friends. Can you is it filming properly?
What do you mean properly?
Like, can you actually see me?
Yeah.
But I'm looking at my bikini drawer. Can we do accessories?
You need to pack toiletries in the bottom because they're the heaviest.
But I'm doing accessories.
But I don't think we need shampoo and conditioner and stuff like that.
Yeah, but I'm getting my hair blow dry tomorrow. No, I'm getting it done tomorrow.
Oh.
I know.
Early.
I know. 7th.
Oh well.
So we're going to wash it the night we get there.
Yeah, and Thursday we're going to that water place.
What was pointless? It'll blow dry.
Why don't you save Nanny's money then?
She's already done it.
Oh.
It'll feel nice.
Yeah.
Okay, right, sunglasses. These are a must. I think these are pretty cool. Oh, I finally found some small enough.
They're very good for Paris actually. That's what they used to wear in
know.
Paris in the olden days.
And bring some these ones.
Right, how many sunglasses do you need?
3. Oh, these are quite cool. No. Alright, so I've got 3 sunglasses case.
Have I got a full of you?
Yeah. Don't get my manky pillow in. Okay, right, so...
It's very dark.
Doesn't matter.
Oh, you can't see you.
You will be. Tiptoe through the window. Show where we live, that's a good idea. You're covered
What was the name of our road on the tree?
Tiara.
No.
Why? Because I want to get a picture by the Eiffel Tower at night with my tiara on.
Oh, go on then.
Shall I?
Go on, you nutter.
So I'm so extra. My little Kate Spade thing Katie bought me. And then I'll put some other jewellery in there. Shall I bring my titty tape? It's like one of them tops that you can, cleavageable ones.
Yeah.
And I need to bring my thing that boosts them up because I have no boobs. Oh, definitely this.
Yeah, you like that, don't you?
Yeah, it's my Can you wear that? You know when you get married, you wear it round it, don't you? Does anyone have diamond ones, or usually?
Well, they're normally lace.
Oh, can I have a diamond one?
You can have whatever you want.
Let's show it. Oh, that's
Find anyone to marry you.
Thanks. Thanks, mate. Right. And then we'll bring my cute love heart one. My clip-on earrings.
Yeah.
Because I'm a wimp to get them actually done.
She thinks she's going to get her armpits waxed and not cry.
I will cry. I just want to get them done because I
Jump right out of that chair and run off.
Look, I live with pain all the time anyway.
You do not know.
I do. Don't you worry.
Worse than childbirth.
It is, isn't it?
It is.
Guess what these are?
Chicken fillets.
For what?
Your boobs.
Yeah, but can you explain to me how they work? Because they just look like I've got an extra boob underneath it. I think you need to have no boobs to wear them. I mean, I do have no. Do you know what I mean?
Let's Google it later.
Because look.
Let's Google it later.
Because look.
Yeah, that does look fine.
Does it?
Well, I suppose it depends what top you got on.
Oh yeah, not with this top. Just gives me a bit extra. Should we bring them?
It depends what outfits you're going to
A
wear.
French boyfriend. I'm joking.
It depends what outfits you're taking.
Well, they're probably going to be like that love heart one. It goes like that. And if I wear like a top, I don't want nothing. Bags. Okay, definitely that one.
You don't pack that. You'll want that on the day.
Will I?
Yeah, because it's safe for travelling in.
Yeah, I want these 4. Yeah.
4 handbags.
That one's good because it's got a look. Can you not count?
Don't forget we need some room in the case for anything you might buy on the way back.
This is why I said to you 2 cases.
I'm not taking 2 cases
I'll bring my
for a 2-day...
I'll bring my Pink Victoria's Secret bag with me. Because I'm going to buy tons. Okay, right. I'll definitely bring that pink bag with me for carry on the train. Ah, doing a little montage.
That's a good thumbnail.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yay. Okay, right, so we've got that. Do we, what will I carry on the day though? Because I don't want to arrive in Paris like that. I think that, because then I can just be like, tiptoe through the window. I really hope no one from my school what she says. I really hope. This one has very careful.
I think you should wear a fanny pack because...
I get demonetised.
Oh, really?
Oh, really? You got to call it a... We need to call it a foopy. Should we call it a foopy pack? Whenever I talk about that, we're going to call it a foopy.
Alright.
Is that the new name?
Yeah.
Right, so
I think you should wear your foopy pack because it's safer.
And
I'm wearing mine so we can be matching.
Oh. Twinning. Foopy twins.
I've got me beret.
That's really cliche. I've got my jumper that says Paris on.
Yeah.
I'm going to wear my beret, my Paris top, and then them red sunglasses. Yeah, press. Is it filming?
Yeah.
Alright, which size do I need for toiletries? This was good, £4 for Primark for 3 things. How
Right.
big is that?
See, we can't pack the toiletries really because we need them up till Friday.
Oh, yeah. Makeup though. I won't
Yeah,
wear
you can
makeup.
pack your makeup. So we need to leave a space for the toiletries.
I need that one for makeup. I don't wear foundation or any of that crap anymore. I think it's made my skin better, hasn't it? So I'm just going to go over to my 3 drawers I squeeze my little tiny makeup collection in. I might bring some highlighter just in case, you know. And...
You can do my makeup.
Oh yeah.
Bring some for me.
Should I bring all of it?
Oh, not all of it.
Well, no, I'm not shoving my whole collection. Should I bring that bag?
That's a bit excessive,
Yeah,
isn't it?
yeah, true. Alright, so should I just bring my full face makeup just in case?
Oh, I've got a good thumbnail here.
Have you? I love you. Okay, right. And then fix spray. We always need a fixing spray. And then bring some eyelashes. Nessa and GMS. And then Perversion. Can't be asked with eyeshadow.
Can you be asked with fake lashes?
Probably. You're the one who just told me I needed some mascara.
Yeah, that was it.
Yeah.
I didn't say you needed it. I just said.
What does Paris expect? Eyelashes. Lipstick. I bring my Chanel lip gloss. And just my lip balm I'll put on now.
This is really hot, this phone.
I know, we explode. Should we do? Oh my gosh, should we do sheet masks on the train?
Not on the train.
Why? You just have to put them on your face and take them off. You don't even have to peel or anything. Just sheet their
Won't
sheet.
we look a bit weird?
That's the whole fun of it. Look, they've got unicorns on.
Go on then.
Should we do that?
Yeah.
Shall I put that in another one then? You're gonna love this. Close your eyes. You really are gonna like it. Close your eyes.
Whoa!
Is it refreshing?
No! Oh, it stinks of lavender.
I wonder why.
Is it lavender? You sprayed it in my eye.
I'm sorry.
What is it?
Should we put our toiletries in here?
Yeah.
And then I need my dry lotion in case I get some spotties on the way. No, I'm not really. I'm going to do some cotton pads, pack of wipes. Welcome to my closet. Right, that is a must. Yeah?
Yeah. It's very Parisian.
They wear black in Paris. Isn't it weird? My wardrobe used to be all black, didn't it?
Yeah.
Do you remember? Okay, right, I'm wearing that on my birthday. Oh no, on my birthday I want to wear my diamond choker with this.
What, for your meal?
Yeah. Should get the diamond choker out then.
That would be a good idea.
We'll do that in a minute. A jumper in case it gets chilly.
Yeah.
Guess what it's... Trevian, I'm good. I know what that means.
What does it mean?
I'm good, like you say.
Oh!
Oh no, that means well done. Trevian. Oh, does it?
Oh, I don't know. I have to Google that in a minute.
I feel like I don't want to wear it, but I feel like this is a need. Do you remember I've worn this every single year, haven't I?
Yeah.
It's like a thing. It's my memory one.
It's nice for a meal.
I think I'll have to
in
take
Paris.
it for an extra. I still got my boohoo. I might change throughout the day as well in different outfits for different pictures, remember? That I'm going to take for a meal at night.
Lovely. Do you need a thin jacket in case it gets chilly in the evening?
Yeah, I'm going to take this.
What will that go with?
Nothing. That one.
Yeah.
Should I bring my tweed skirt?
Yeah.
What about the black and white tweed one?
Oh yeah.
Oh,
They're both nice for Paris.
And then basically I ran out of storage because this video was so long, so I couldn't film all of it, but look out for the Paris vlogs, what I buy in Paris, what I got for my birthday vlogs, my Tenerife vlogs, tons. There's going to be tons of cool videos, so make sure you hit the subscribe button down below, give it a big thumbs up, and I love you all so much. Bye.